Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel. Best Investments by Vince Tabache, and I am an accredited seller of the MSA Home. So today, I discuss ko sa inyo yung mga sample computations natin para kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay po. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel. Best Investments by Vince Tabache, and I am an accredited seller of the MSA Home. Hello po sa kumusta po kayo. So for this video naman, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung mga sample computations natin para kay Allegra Garden Place. So it's been a while since my last video for the sample computations for this project. So ito, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is yung mga computations natin for studio, 1 bedroom, and 2 bedroom units. Okay, so yung 3 bedroom unit natin are all sold out na. And even yung mga 2 bedroom corner units natin na 69 square meters, wala na rin po. Naubos na rin po siya. So dito, ang sizes na lang natin, studio na 30, meron tayong 34, tapos meron tayong 1 bedroom na 38 and 41. And meron tayong 2 bedroom units na 55 and 58 square meters. Paminsan-minsan, may mga 60 square meters tayo na unit na nare-reopen. So, yun. So, for those who are interested na mas bigger unit, so just message me po. Nandiyan yung numbers ko. So, I can accommodate your request po. Okay? So, para dun sa mga hindi pa nakakalam, quick information muna tayo about this project. So, Allegra Garden Place is located along Pasig Boulevard. Okay? Kung nadadaan kayo sa C5 flyover, makikita nyo yan eh. Kung papunta kayo BGC, makikita nyo sa right side. Nandoon si Allegra Garden Place. So, ito nasa model unit ako ng, this is a studio unit na 30 square meters. Nasa likod ko si Pasig Boulevard eh. So yan, yung mga sasakyan na dumadaan dyan, yan yung mga papuntang BGC, papuntang Market, yan, papuntang SLEX, yan. So yan yung way natin dyan, okay? So this project has 2 high-rise building po, composed of 56 at 55 story. So dito kay Soraya, 55 story. Ito na residential. And kay Amina building sa first building natin hanggang 56 residential siya. Pero ito total ninyo yung floor levels 58 and 57 floors po. So one of the tallest building dito sa area na to. Actually pinakamataas yata ito na building dito po sa area natin dito. Okay? So moving forward sa computation natin. For this month po, ang promo natin is still at 12% down payment. Payable siya in 36 months, in 3 years time po. And then yung remaining balance natin na 88% through bank financing, in-house financing, or pwedeng siya bayaran cash. Okay? And with that term po, we are also giving 1% promo discount. Okay? So let's say, for example, you will get a pseudo unit. I base the computation based on the lowest price. Okay? So the varies depends on the unit orientation, kung ano yung view niya, and kung anong floor level po niya. So for those who are interested sa ibang floor levels or kung may mga preferred sila na floor level, you may contact me anytime po. So for this studio computation po, ang price is at 5.1 million. Okay? So less na promo discount of 51,000. So ang net contract price natin mag-fall sa 5.1 million 35,000. So net down payment at 600,000 less the reservation fee of 20,000. So ang monthly down payment natin for 36 months is at 16,500. Okay, so napakababa ng monthly down payment natin dito kay Allegra. And then yung remaining balance natin na 88% at 4.5 million. Okay, so plus the closing fees of 500,000. Ito na yung loanable amount natin na pwede natin i-loan kay bank. So maximum of 20 years at 36,000 a month. 15 years at 41,000. 10 years at 52,000 pesos. Okay, so yung next computation naman natin for a 1 bedroom unit na 38 square meters, and it is priced at 6.6 million. Dito naman, ang monthly down payment natin for 36 months is at 21,000 pesos. Okay? And then yung remaining balance natin na 5.7 million plus the closing fees of 691,000. Ito na yung ilulungan natin kay bank. So maximum of 20 years at 46,000, for 15 years at 52,000, for 10 years at 67,000 pesos. And then lastly, Yung 2-bedroom unit na 55 square meters. Again, meron tayong mas malaking sizes dito. So, base the computation ko na may pinakamababang price. So, at 55 square meters, ang price natin is at 8.2 million. Okay, so last tayo ng promo discount na 82,000. So, ang net contract price natin is at 8.2 million 3,000. So, ang monthly down payment natin dito for a 12% stretch at 36 months is at 26,788. Okay? And then yung remaining balance natin, 88%, at amounting to 7.2 million plus a closing fees of 861. So, maximum of 20 years at 57,000, 15 years at 65,000 pesos, and 10 years at 83,000 pesos. Okay? So again, that's it. That's a video natin, presentation natin for the sample computations natin for Allegra Garden Place. So, standby for my next videos po. So, i-discuss na natin yung mga ibang projects natin para makita ninyo yung mga current prices natin and promos that we offer for this month of April. Okay? So, again, that's it for Allegra Garden Place. If you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko naka-flash sa screen nyo. May contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Para tayo mag-schedule ng all-in presentation by Zoom. Para tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Pero go kayo dalhin dito sa napagandang project natin na sa Allegra Garden Place. Okay? So, thank you for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.